Hey guys.
Don't mind it, ah.
Hey guys, so I'm just eating ramen. I'm just eating ramen right now. Get that vegetable out of here. Vegetable.
Vegetables.
I love the vegetables. This also. I'm ramen.
Well, use your hand. The chicken will fly. You don't.
Guys, you see.
Sorry.
The chicken will fly to the board.
Sorry, sorry.
Guys, sorry.
Ah? Okay?
You know we have this and
Oh. Mahal. Go call it.
We're gonna upload it for your subscribers, ha?
after this video, my dad is going to
Nakausap
upload
talaga.
it.
Yan, ginagamit ng
Get
katanggalan.
some subscribers. And
Gagamit
videos.
natin yung mga
I'm just gonna eat my ramen.
Yeah.
See this?
out. Gusto mo tadi? Okay?
Yan lang. Gusto tayo kanina. Talk to your subscribers.
I'm just gonna eat ramen.
Wala.
Use this for the sabaw.
Okay.
Ganyan. Pwede na yan.
So then sabaw. Ah! Sabaw.
Ito mo yung score.
It's not hot anymore, Bob. It's okay na to blow.
Tama ko.
I'm making this my dog.
Saya-saya niya dun sa ano eh.
Makita ko siya siya.
Parang mahal, no?
Sorry, daddy. Hindi man tayo nag-check saan.
Ate Guardian, may bahay, malulugi yun.
How
Oo nga
much?
eh.
Kunting nga lang tao.
Dapat ang garden tayo. Half lang ano. Ano maglalaro lang. Sa uban may 100 naman ang garden.
Masarap?
Daddy, punasan mo naman yung pili. Masarap na, masarap.
Sarap, no? Sabaw pa yan, mami, oh.
You wanna try the sabaw mo yan?
Show them, diba?
Ha?
No.
Tingnan ba?
You see this carrot here? I already ate it. And it looks like Snake Pac-Man. It's gonna eat you.
Kailan kausap mo
Snake
tayo yung
Pac-Man.
subscribers, no? Ulitan na kasi.
Snake Pac-Man is gonna eat my dad.
Uy,
You said you like oranges.
Thank you.
Yes. Do you have to share? No. I'm gonna drink a little bit.
ano na yung kambo? Small amount lang kay that's kuya.
Stop.
Want rice? Kuya?
Kaya muna ha.
Give me.
Kaya mo ha.
Okay. You put water.
Ilan lang na chicken kuya?
I have an idea.
Eat it.
Can somebody give me chicken?
Ay, yeah. Tayo needs chicken. Ayaw lang.
Cut it. Cut.
Ulo
lang.
Cut.
Enough na pa kuya?
Cut.
One more.
Bigyan mo sa kanya yung balat.
Guys, I just want. Oh, I want chicken.
Done naman ah.
Guys, you know,
Uy, no.
I want to dip this.
No, dip here.
Okay. This soy sauce.
Ano ba
Soy
to?
sauce.
Yes. That's lamig dip. Not halang.
Hmm.
Dip. Put it here. Put it here. Put it here. Put it here.
Uy,
Put it here.
ito po them. You can upload that in your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Good job, kuya.
Sabaw na, sabay ko ano na.
Sabaw here.
Kusok na nga ako.
Let's put more sabaw.
Uy, may abo.
Eat sabaw.
Marami pang ito.
More sabaw.
Ang flavor niyan?
Zero.
More sabaw. What's zero in English?
Chicken.
Then where'd you get that word?
The name of the ramen.
Dad, you
Uy,
want
it's not
this?
like that is boneless chicken. Why do you have to do that?
Yeah, do you want this? Because I want. Because there's, I think there's
Yeah,
a
kuya.
bone. Is there a bone?
No, it's boneless, I said. Oh.
Ang galing yung bata.
Can I have all of
Support
it?
me?
Cook. Regular.
Tayo, can I have it all?
Share lang ko yan.
Sure. Put it here.
Ano ka ni?
Gutom ka pa?
Yeah,
You're still, hungry?
yeah, I want now can I get it? I want potato. Now can I have it all? Now can I have it all? Huh? Nothing.
Let's just look for potato.
I mean, now can I have it all?
Potato corner lang ko yan.
Now can I have it
It's
all?
in the...
Sarado.
Let me see if you finished it. Let me see if you finished it.
But then I'll just give you my coat. You give that to Kuya. I'll give you coat.
I'll take one of it. Yeah.
Nah, I'll give you my coat.
Uy,
I'll get.
don't forget about them.
Why was I going crazy?
You drink water na.
Can I have one? Can I have some?
Some
Can?
chicken?
Yes.
Yours na,
still
yours
done
na.
pa, sorry. Yours na. That's yours, man.
Ang binawi.
It doesn't have bones. You can eat the entire thing.
Boneless po yan. Ooh,
Dali.
put it down. You don't like that?
Yeah.
That's pork, like pork barbecue.
I don't like it. So guys, you see I don't like this.
Guys,
Nakukuha ng ganito.
ako dyan. Dad,
May taba ba? Ito man.
huwag mo sa ibabaw na kayo. Bukas yan. Dad? Ay!
Alam.
Sorry. Sorry, I thought no more na. Sorry to ask. I thought no more na.
My brother
I
is
thought they were
annoying.
eating.
My brother is annoying.
No.
My brother did like this to my video. So he's annoying. Now,
Okay.
no. No. Okay, thank
What do
you
you
so
need ba?
much.
Ramen?
Yeah, I want some.
Wanna try?
Bigyan mo ng konti. Kanila kayo. Malaki mo.
Kuya wants ramen. Wanna
What's
try?
the taste? Taste lang the noodles. Kuya will taste the noodles. You move closer, Kuya.
No.
Uy,
Walang sa.
natalang.
Wait lang sa akin. Ay, chicken yan. Okay?
How is it?
Thank you.
Like it?
Is that mine?
You like
Share
it?
with Daddy.
Is there any pen? Is there any pen? Open
Pen?
it.
No, I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna put it here with ice.
I'll put it. Oh, it's cold.
Then see a subscriber.
Yeah, you have to put some. Whoa.
One more.
Yummy!
Yours na. Hey, wait a
Don't push the people. Later na. Uy!
So yummy!
When we get to the house, we'll also get the phone.
Excuse me. I said, excuse me.
May laman pa yun?
It's right here.
Vlog na. Tulala mo na.
Food coma, Kuya.
Later na.
Is it already nighttime?
Yes, it's already late. Sleeping time already.
Yeah, it's past sleeping time.
Talo bigla ang PLDT. Touch point na kanina eh.
Ilaw to ta.
Huh?
Sabaw. You see, there's so much sabaw.
You drink the sabaw, Baba.
I drink it like this. But last time when I was in the playground, me and Dad went to the condo to get some drinks. I got Sprite, and I think Doc got Royale.
Whose money was it?
Come.
You drank it?
Yes. Yes.
Huwag ganun kasi. Tapos mabubisit ka. Tawagin mo ang maayos. Kasi mahihinig siya yung pinansin.
Ito lang sa bag.
Natalo bigla.
Ano?
Wala pa. 9-4. Will out. Will out.
Yummy po.
Yummy apple juice.
Pineapple.
And pineapple juice.
Uyak yung bata.
I thought it was apple juice.
I-drink it na lang sa sabaw. Opo. Di mo ba chopsticks? Careful with your clothes, ha? Sabi, mami. Buyag, mami, buyag. May bedsheet
Na.
pa.
Don't need na.
No need na?
Don't eat
Okay.
it.
You stop the recording.
Bye.
Say goodbye to them.
Say backward. Bye. I just